Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 9.2, that is the latest version on CentOS Stream 10. Okay, open any web browser. See, by default you don't have any web browsers, so I have installed Google Chrome on CentOS Stream 10. If you don't know how to install, then go to my YouTube channel, search for how to install Google Chrome on CentOS Stream 10. Okay, open it. Go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the MySQL 9.2, but if you are unable to find version when you are installing, you have to click on archives. There you can find older versions. Then select operating systems. See here we don't have CentOS, so select Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the version. Select the latest version, RHL9 or Oracle 9. See, once we selected, it populated list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. But instead of downloading each package, we have to download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started. Its size is 917 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install the MySQL Server 9.2 on CentOS Stream 10. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this file. It contains RPM packages. tar-xf, give the MySQL tar file name. To autofill entire file name, we have to give MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. ls, see here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install these packages. To install MySQL Server 9.2, sudo rpm -ivh. I will keep this command in the video description. -, no depths, then give the start.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 9.2. See, we have successfully installed MySQL 9.2. Let us verify the status of the MySQL service. Ctrl L to clear screen. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. Let us start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify. See, MySQL server is active or running. Okay, Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now we have to connect to MySQL server. But before that, we must have the password for the root account. You can get it by going to cd home directory, then cd where log ls. See here we have the mysqld.log, which contains the temporary root account password. More mysqld.log grep password. Hit enter. Permission denied, so we must give the sudo. See, this is the temporary password. So now we have to set the password for the root account. So run the command sudo mysql _secure _installation. Hit enter. Hit enter. Now copy this password For you, this may be different, but you have the password in this file. Okay, so paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set the password for the root account. Confirm the same. So password not satisfied with current policy settings. Give the strong password. Now change password. No, because we have already changed. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Dissolve. No. Remove test database. Yes. Reload. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for the root account. Now connect to MySQL server. Control A, MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 9.2. This is the version. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL server 9.2 on CentOS stream 10. But the process is same on CentOS 9 as well. Okay, let us verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Okay, now we will create the database. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to a database in MySQL, we have to use the keyword use. Then use the database name. Verify list of tables. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so let us create a table. Create table. Now verify again. See, we have created it. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will see how to create a user in MySQL server. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, we have created user. Okay. Now exit and connect to MySQL server with this new user. To exit from MySQL, we have to use the command exit. See, we have exited from MySQL. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u. Then new username is James-p. Then provide the password of this James user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user that we have logged in. See, we have logged in with the user James. Now switch to bank database. See, access denied for the user James to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. To avoid this error, we have to grant the privileges to this user on this database. Okay. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL service on CentOS stream 9 or 10. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. See, MySQL service is running. Quit. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is loaded, but it is inactive or dead. Quit. You can also verify the status of the MySQL service by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQLD. We have started MySQL service. Let us verify the status again. See, MySQL service is active or running. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we have successfully connected. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to restart. Sudo systemctl restart. We have successfully restarted. Now go to home directory, cd downloads ls. See, we have successfully installed, so these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm star.rpm ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove this bundle file also. rm, give the MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 9.2 on CentOS Stream 10 version. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.